Strengthening Faith 101. I had a thought which I wanted to share. One of the main reasons why Muslims strive hard to obtain their worldly desires, at the cost of practically preparing for Judgment Day, is their fear of losing out on obtaining their desires in this world. This fear is an extremely powerful tool which the devil manipulates in order to distract a Muslim from preparing for the hereafter, which involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. In order to avoid this outcome, a Muslim must always remember that as long as they internally believe in Islam and actively practice on its teachings, they will never face losing out on anything they hope to gain. This is because a Muslim who genuinely strives hard to obey Allah, the Exalted, has been promised paradise in the hereafter. Therefore, whatever they desired in this world, and were fearful of losing out on obtaining it, they can have in paradise. They will be able to enjoy the thing they wanted permanently, and in its perfect form. Whereas, even if they obtained what they desire in this world, it would never be permanent or perfect. So in reality, there is no such thing as losing out on anything for a Muslim, as they will either obtain the thing they desire in this world or in the next. Therefore, if they do not obtain it in this world, it will only be a short delay before they obtain it in the hereafter. One only needs to reflect on how fast their life has gone by so far to understand that the hereafter is only a moment away. Chapter 10 Yunus, verse 45.
And on the day when he will gather them, it will be as if they had not remained in the world but an hour of the day.
Remembering the important reality that for a sincere Muslim, every good desire will be fulfilled, sooner or later, will prevent them from excessively chasing its fulfillment at the loss of preparing for their hereafter. There is no losing out for a sincere Muslim, only a delay.